The master disc has just been cut, but the lacquer surface is far too delicate to play. It's been produced solely to act as a mould. It will literally be pressed into service to make tougher versions of the recorded grooves, and this will enable the manufacturers to make many copies from just one. In the next step, the lacquer disc is washed with soap and water. It's sprayed with tin chloride and liquid silver. The tin chloride is a sensitizer that helps the silver stick to the lacquer. Small bits of silver that don't stick are washed away. In seconds, one side of the lacquer has become a stunning silver disc, with the grooves intact. A duller metal is added to the silvered side in order to really stiffen the disc. It's fastened to a spindle on the underside of a tank lid. The disc spins. It's rinsed one more time. The water in the tank below is green because these nickel nuggets are dissolving into it. The lid is lowered and the spinning disc is immersed in the solution. An electric charge fuses the nickel to the silver. And the nickel settles neatly into the grooves. Now it's removed from the tank, and the metal layer is prized away from the original lacquered disc. This metal disc is a stamper that will be used to press vinyl records. And the lacquer disc is discarded. The exact centre of the stamper is located. A worker places it under the microscope, which is part of an optical centering punch. As the stamper disc spins, he aligns the grooves with a guide in the viewfinder. When he finds the centre, he punches a hole there. The stamper disc is clamped into a trimming machine. The disc turns and a cutting wheel trims the edge, cutting the stamper disc to a diameter of 32 centimetres. Next, the labels are prepared. A punch bores into the centre of a stack of them, making holes. Then, the labels are placed on a mini press. It rises to another cutter, which rounds them out. Black polyvinyl chloride pellets are poured into a hopper. The pellets fall into an extruder, which turns them into hot, rubbery pieces called biscuits. Hoists above and below push labels to each side of the biscuit. Suction cups hold them there while a carriage moves the biscuit forward, then drops the biscuit and labels in the press. Two stampers mounted in the press apply 100 tons of pressure. They melt and mould the biscuits into a record. A quick cooling cycle hardens it and bonds the labels to the vinyl. A carriage then transports it to a trimming table. The table spins the record against a knife and cuts away the ragged edges. Then the table takes the trimmed record to the finish stack, and the process begins again. This is a well-choreographed musical production. As one record is lifted out of the press, the next one goes in. The pressing and trimming of a vinyl record takes just 28 seconds. But it's sure to get hours of play by enthusiasts who refuse to buy into the digital revolution and still believe that vinyl is a cut above.
Never slow up, wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show